Good morning, class. Please all stand. Miss Sabanal, please lead the prayer.
Amen.
Good morning once again.
Good morning, ma'am.
Before you take your seat, please pick up pieces of paper under your chair and arrange your chair properly. Okay, you may now take your seat.
Thank you, ma'am.
Before that, I am your teacher for today. I am Ruby Ann Loredo from Best Ed Mathematics. So, who are the absent today?
None, ma'am.
Very good. So before we start our class, let me introduce to you our classroom rules. Please read.
Sit down properly. Raise your hand. Listen to the teacher. Pick up pieces of paper.
Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So second is, we have here the incentive chart. So the purpose of this is we are going to use this chart to track your participations. The goal is to encourage everyone to share their ideas and engage respectfully to each other. So if you get apple, you earn 3 points, orange is 2 points, and strawberry is 1 point. So is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So before we proceed to our new topic, we are going to recap. So what was our topic last meeting? Ms. Pugaha?
Our topic last meeting is about Cartesian plane.
Thank you, Ms. Pugaha. So, how many quadrant in Cartesian plane? Yes, Ms. Amilasan?
In Cartesian plane, there are 4 quadrants.
Very good. So, it seems you can still remember our last topic. So, now let me introduce to you our new topic. So, but before that, let me introduce our learning objectives. Please all read.
At the end of the lesson, students should be able to identify what is algebraic expression, calculate the algebraic expression, and activate the lesson by citing real-life example.
Okay, thank you, students. So, who can who can say what is our topic today? Anyone? Yes, Miss Sabanal?
Our topic today, ma'am, is about algebraic expression.
Very good. So our topic for today is about algebraic expression. So any idea about algebraic expression? None? It's okay. But we proceed, before we start our discussion, we have here the activity. So here the activity 1. But before we go to activity, I will group you into 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So let me read the direction. So substitute the given value of variables. If A is equal to 2, B is equal to 1, and C is equal to 4. Okay. Group 1, group 2, and group 3. Okay, answer that in 1 minute. Are you done? Who first? Who already done? Very good, group 1. May I borrow your ball pen? Are you done, group 2? So, very good. May I borrow? Very good. Okay. Since group 1 is got 5 points and she got finish the first, so you earn 3 points. Then group 2 is, where the group 2? You got 4 points, but because you're wrong in number 4. But you earn 2 points, 2 points because you the second. Then the group 3 is 5 points, but you the last group to answer. But you earn 2 points. So now we have here activity number 2. So the activity number 2 is the same group. This is the secret word expressions mystery code. So the direction is solve each expression to find the letter that matches the result. Write the letters in order to reveal the secret word. So, here. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3. Here's your button. So, but before you answer that, we have here the mystery code or the mystery word. So, if you get the answer in, like, example, in number 1, you have answered, then raise your hand, then if that's correct, I will reveal the first letter until you complete the words. The first to finish, you get 3 points. Okay, you may now answer the, yes, 19. Very good. What group you are? Very good. First letter is, wow. Yes, Miss Pugaha? Very good. What your group? Very good. Yes, Miss Amilasan? Very good. Yes. Very good. Yes, Miss Pugaha? Miss Amilasan? Very good. Yes, Mas Sabanal? Yeah. Very good. Miss Amilasan? Yes. Yes, Miss Sabanal? Yes, Miss Sabanal? Miss? Yes. Milasan? Miss Sabanal? Miss Pugaha? Milasan? Yes. 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 Okay. Is that enjoy? Very good. So, group 1 earned 3 points. Group 2, you have got 3 points. Because you got the correct answer. Okay. How did you find the activity? Very good. So now, finally, we are down to our proper discussions. So, please read.
Identify the resulting numerical expression following the pentas, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction.
Okay. Thank you, students. So, the algebraic expressions, we focus today is to evaluate or to substitute the given value. So, to evaluate algebraic expressions means to substitute the given value of the variables. So, like example, we have here the example. For example, to evaluate x squared plus 3x minus 2, where x is equals to 2. So, the x here is, we have the value 2. So, we substitute the given value to the our given. So, x squared plus 3x minus 2. So, substitute 2x. X, substitute the 2. So, 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 3 times 2 minus 2. Then, you times this. 4 plus 6 minus 2 is equals to 8. So, then, did you understand, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Any question? Okay, so let's try and evaluate the following. So we have another activity, the problem solving. We have here the another activity. Here na lang. So we have here the problem solving. Did you hear me? Because it's raining in the outside world. Okay. The activity 1 is replace. Activity 1. Group 1, group 2, 3. Okay, but before you answer that, we have here the rubrics. Ay, okay, class. I forgot here para problem solving. You solve this in the back, at the back of your paper. Okay, the directions is get 1/4 of paper, then answer the following expressions. If A is equal to 3, B is equal to 2, and C is equal to 4. But before you answer that, let me read first the rubrics. So, this is the rubrics for problem solving. Understanding the problem. Excellence clearly understands the problem, identifies all important informations and relationships. You got 5 points. Then 3 points if the understand most of the problem, minor details may be missing or misunderstood. Then needs to improve 1 point if the misunderstands the problem or show no understanding. Then strategy or process, choices and efficiency and approach. Then we have the accuracy and computations. Okay, you may now answer. Okay, are you done? Are you done? You don't need to put the solution. You can answer directly. It's only 3 items. Okay, group 1, are you done? May I borrow your group 2 and group 3? So, I check this. Okay, since you got all correct, you have 3 points. Okay. So, who will volunteer to answer number 1? Anyone? Volunteer to answer this? Number 1? State. You can state na. Number 1, yes? Yes, Miss Pugaha?
The sum equals to 15 months.
Okay, very good. So, how about the number 2? Yes, Miss Amilasan?
The number 2 answer is it is equal to 226 months.
Very good. Thank you, Miss Amilasan. How about the number 3? Yes, Miss Sabanal?
Number 3 is equal to 16 months.
Very good. So, excellent class. So, I guess this had all been discussed clearly since I've observed that you have perfect score to our group activity and problem solving. So, now truly understood and appreciates the importance of evaluating algebraic expressions on real scenarios. So, we have here the last activity. So, the activity is expressing puzzle match. So, on your table, you find several puzzle pieces. Each piece show an algebraic expressions or its evaluate form. So, finish assembling the puzzle first, then you may answer the algebraic expression. So, first you complete the puzzle, then answer the expressions. How many? Where's the others? Okay, here is. Okay, you have only 2 minutes to complete the puzzle and answer the evaluations. You can share the tape because our tape is only one. So here's the rubrics any in puzzle. Okay, very good, group 3. Got first is the group 3. Then the group 2. And last is the group 3. So, group 3 is earned 3 points. Then, group 2 is earned 2 points. And group 1 is earned 1 point. So, do you understand our topic today?
Yes, ma'am.
Any questions about our topic?
Ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now we proceed to evaluating learning. You can answer here in the at the back of your paper. Okay, I will read the evaluations, our evaluations. It is a multiple choice. Number your paper 1 to 5. Okay, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, number 1. What is an algebraic expression? A, a number without variables. B, a combinations of numbers, variables, and operations. C, a sentence with equal signs. Or D, a group only members. Write the letters only. Don't cheat. Are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, number 2. Which of the following is an example of an algebraic expression? A, 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. B, 15 minus 7. C, 2x plus 3. Or D, 10 times 5. Okay. Number 2. Number 3, anyone? When you use algebraic expressions in real life, A, only during exam. B, when solving math puzzle. C, when represent unknown quantities in daily situations. Or D, when reading a story. What are number?
Or, ma'am.
Okay, number 4. Why do we need to learn algebraic expression? So, letter A, to memorize them symbols. B, to express and solve real-life problems using mathematics. C, to make math harder. Or D, to write longer equations. Okay. Number 5, last number. How do you evaluate the expressions 3x plus 2 if x is 4? So, substitute daw. A, 10. B, 12. C, 14. Or D, 20. Okay. Are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, pass your paper. Okay, thank you, class. Okay. So now, let's see who is the winner. So the group 1 earned 3 apples and 1 strawberry, 16. Group 2 earns 2 apple and 2 orange, 14. Then the group 3 is 3 apple and 1 orange, 17. So, the winner is the group 3. Okay. Since you understand our topic for today's, that's all for today's. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, ma'am. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you, class.